Hi everyone, we're here at Manila Bed for their special day with Barista Brothers.
Laging tama coffee is completely.
Yung kanyang coffee ay kakaiba ang lasa.
The coffee.
The coffee is not good, but great.
Thank you for having Barista Brothers as you celebrated your special day with us. If you have upcoming celebration, just message us here and we'd love to bring the brew to you.